So welcome back to Electric Vehicle channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. This is Tunwal T133 electric scooter. This is a newly launched electric scooter from Tunwal, and this electric scooter also eligible under FAME 2 scheme subsidies. So in this video I will test ride this vehicle and I will also explain all the details about this electric scooter. So after complete review of this electric scooter, you can decide whether you can buy Tunwal T133 electric scooter or not.
Tunwal T133 is a registered model from Tunwal e-bikes. Usually, Tunwal e-bike sells no license and no registration electric scooters in the market. But this T133 is the first registration electric scooter from Tunwal company. The T133 outer body design got a sporty look finish with stylish dual LED headlamps. The build quality is 60% metal and 40% fiber plastic. The seat length is medium, fits okay for a rider and a pillion. Tires are tubeless with disc brakes at front and rear. The footboard space is wide, suitable for height ones also. You will get medium boot space at the back. You can keep half helmet in it. The battery is fixed and non-removable. At the front side of this scooter, there is a digital dashboard, displays speed, battery percentage and odometer, and the dashboard visibility is good. The scooter's smart features includes remote lock unlock, remote start button and find my scooter option as well. Coming to the scooter specs, its top speed is 50 kph, range of 100 kilometers, motor capacity of 2.5 kW and a battery capacity of 2.4 kWh, and the charging time is 4 hours. You can see the charging socket below the seat.
So let's see the test ride review of Tunwal T133 electric scooter. So the seating of this electric scooter is a little short here. So someone who will feel a little down while riding this electric scooter. Whereas the footboard comfort levels are good. And the dashboard visibility also good. So it's very clear at the night time. You can see it's up to, we have reached almost 39 kph in the low mode. So I think if you ride with singles, you can get a top speed of up to 42 kph. But I am riding with a pillion, that's why the speed is up to 39 kph. And now let's move to high mode.
Here is the final verdict of Tunwal T133 electric scooter after the test ride. First, let's see the positives. Bright dashboard visibility. Second one is range. Third one is sports look design. And the fourth one is pickup. Now coming to its negative points, high initial pickup while acceleration. And the second one is handlebar position. The third one is non-removable battery. Finally, the price of Tunwal T133 is between 80,000 to 90,000 rupees. 3 years warranty on battery pack and 1 year warranty on motor. We will provide the showroom address details in the description below. Go green, go electric.